Hey, how's it going? So today I found this old reel that's from the 80s, pretty close to when I was born. I believe it was my grandpa's who's passed away. It's just like a little, I think it's like a little type of fly fishing reel. Maybe someone in the comments would know more about it. Time out, time out. So it turns out after I did a little bit more research, quite a bit more research actually, thank you Google, the reel is not actually from 1980s. It is from 1889. They were patented in 1886, and the one that I have that I showed you is actually made in 1889 from Germany. So that rod or that reel is over like almost like it's like 133 years old. Actually insane how old that is. So yeah, pretty cool. I already peeled off all the old line. I'm gonna try and restore it, see what I can do. It's got a wood, see it there? It's got a wood knob for reeling. I'm gonna try and take that off and try and fix it up. Try and make it shine a little bit more. And we'll see what we can do after that. I'm gonna start with soaking it in some vinegar. Maybe that'll work, maybe it won't. I guess we'll find out. So yeah, let's see what happens. So I managed to clean up the reel pretty well. It turns out it's bronze with silver plating. So I couldn't scrub it too much because all I would end up doing is taking off the silver plating and making it look worse. But it is a vast improvement from what it did look like. There it is. Quite a bit shinier. I just put it on this rod. It's kind of an older rod. I figured it would look kind of cool hanging on my wall. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I really like it. I mean, it's almost a 140-year-old reel. It's pretty cool.